and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you these white solar-powered string lights from Sunforce. They're ideal for decorative and outdoor use around your backyard, patios, gazebos, campers, and more. The kit includes the strand of lights, an amorphous solar panel with a pre-installed lithium-ion rechargeable battery, mounting hardware, and a ground stake. The strand features 12 Edison style bulbs, and they're made of a very durable ABS plastic and feature a warm white light. They're spaced 2 feet or 60.9 meters between each bulb, and the overall cable length is 30 feet or 9.14 meters. The lights have a dusk to dawn feature and come on automatically at nighttime. The amorphous solar panel operates in all lighting conditions, even on cloudy days. It can be mounted on a structure or staked into the ground. It is adjustable and fully weather resistant and durable. Here's a close-up look at the front of the amorphous solar panel as well as the back. The on and off switch is located right here. It's easy to assemble and install. There's no need for an electrician. I'm going to show you how to do that now. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll provide links in the description of this video, as well as the customer service information for Sunforce should you want to contact them yourself. If there's anything I forgot to cover that you'd like to know, please leave it for me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, so please find me there as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.